I'm in Shibuya right now. I guess we can't find anyone. I don't think it's a good idea to shoot the video. Guy just jumped up from the bridge.
Rion's TV.
Hey guys, welcome to Rion's TV. I'm Ryon Senokao. Alright, so today it's October 31st, 2019. Yes, that's a Halloween night. So in this video, I try to show you how the Halloween night looks like in Osaka. You know, last year, there were so many people wearing the costumes, but this year, probably. Well, you see the tower over there? That calls Tsutenkaku, which is a really popular Osaka tower. I usually make an Osaka travel guide videos, so if you are thinking to travel to Osaka, please check my other videos as well. And if you are not but thinking to travel to Japan, you'd better know how good Osaka is. Anyway, so let's go to explore. Hopefully, I can find some pretty people. Okay, so let's start walking. Oh, by the way, I'm in Shibuya right now. This place is next to Namba station. It's one station away. Seems like there are no one wears costume. So many places to eat over here and so many restaurants as well. It is a really popular place for travelers. However, no, for the Halloween, I guess we can't find anyone. I believe if we go to Dotonbori, probably. Yeah. Anyway, so let's keep walking. From Shinsekai to Namba station, it's like 20 minutes walking distance, I think, which is not that far. So a lot of people come visit to Namba station, however, miss this place too. So make sure if you come over to Namba station, visit the Shinsekai area as well. Especially their kushikatsu is really good. Yeah, probably you will love it. So if you guys come over to Osaka, you'd better try kushikatsu. Well, look at that. I found the guys wearing a costume. Nice. That's a popular one. Alright, so now I arrived to the Denden town, which is the popular Osaka electric appliance stores. And also, this place is really popular for anime figures as well. So, this place is like Akihabara in Osaka. So if you love the anime street, this Denden town, this is the place you should come. Right now, not so many people. It's because of the nighttime, especially it's Thursday. So you won't see the many people over here. However, if you come over here on the weekend, you will see many people. Well, so far, I haven't seen many people wearing a costume yet. However, yeah, I'm pretty sure if we go to Dotonbori, we can find many people there. Alright, so let's keep walking. I was thinking to be a samurai. I tried to make my hair longer. However, my hair didn't get long enough. So that's why I can't be a samurai. However, you know what? Can you guess who I am today? That's right, a YouTuber. You see the GoPro over here? Yes, I look like a YouTuber, right? That's who I became. Alright, so now I arrived to the Namba station, and that's the Ebisubashi Suji. Well, Ebisubashi Suji is the main street of Namba. This is a really popular spot for the cosplay. Well, this place is like a Shibuya in Osaka, so I'm pretty sure I can see many people wearing a costume. Alright, so let's go. Already so many people wearing the costumes, right? Sweet! Loving it. Well, so I'm pretty sure if we arrive to the Ebisubashi Bridge, we can find many people wearing a cosplay. Well, speaking of the Halloween culture in Japan, this become a day for the kind of like a cosplay day for Japanese people. As long as they can wear the costume, they don't care. It's a festival. Well, I thought it's gonna be cold today. However, since so many people over here, it's really hot. Shouldn't have wear so much.
Here we go. Now we are in Dotonbori.
Oh my goodness. I thought I can shoot the video in there. However, so many people. It's much more than what I thought. I don't think it's a good idea to shoot the video. However, I want to show you guys how the Dotonbori Ebisubashi Bridge looks like too. So I'm gonna go through, but it's really hard.
Many people were wearing costumes, but at the same time, also many people did not wear the costume. Actually, I was thinking to shoot a video over here. However, since there were too many people, I just couldn't. It was really hard to walk, and many people were pushing each other. So, if you are thinking to bring your kids here, maybe it's not really a good idea. One thing I realized is that not so many people were drinking alcohol, so it was much safer than what I thought. Speaking of the Shibuya, Tokyo, where one of the most popular Halloween spots in Japan, they restrict alcohol drinking from this year, so I heard it became much safer. Usually, we can cross this bridge in less than 1 minute. However, today, it took like 7 minutes to cross this bridge. This is my personal feeling, but I think people there, half of them were travelers from foreign country and half of them were local Japanese. Yes, Osaka is becoming such a popular travel place year by year. I am so happy with it.
Oh my goodness, this place crazy. Yeah, let me escape from the crowd. Well, I thought this street, less people, but even this street, so many people over here. Can't believe it. Well, I love people's energy. However, this is just crazy.
This is the view from other side. As you can see, yes, just crazy. Also, there were many police too.
Oh shit, look at that.
Trust me, the river is really dirty and the weather is really cold too. However, why not? Do some crazy things when you are young. It will be a good memory, right? But I will not do that though.
Oh my goodness, look at that! The guy just jumped up from the bridge. Well, I was expecting to see that when I came here for the Rugby World Cup. If you guys want to see the party people in here, yeah, Halloween night. That's the time we should come over here. Wow, this is just crazy.
This is Dotonbori Food Street. Compared to Ebisubashi Bridge, much better, but still many people over here though.
Well, this place is just next to the Dotonbori Food Street, but less people. Yep, I love Hozenji Yokocho. So I came to the quiet place. This place much better and it feels better. Oh, there are so many people, much more than what I thought. So I don't want to go back there anymore. However, in the next year, I'm gonna do the live stream from the Ebisubashi Bridge or Shibuya. So if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Well, hopefully you guys can see the atmosphere of the Ebisubashi Bridge on the Halloween night. There are many other Osaka videos, so please check out the videos as well. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, please share the video with your friend. It will really help me to grow my channel. And please check my Instagram account as well. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Arigato. So bye bye.